Hi guys, Ayush Agrawal this side again from Doipe. So in this video, I just wanted to show you all the synthetic fabrics that we deal in. So first fabric that I have for you is basically poplin. So this is again printed. We printed them first and then we thought to create this video so that you guys get a good idea as to how the printing will come across. I mean how the printing will come out and the quality of the fabric. So now poplin is actually a thin fabric and it's good for curtains, bed sheets, and this is a phenomenal fabric, very sturdy, very robust fabric, and yet feels very soft, and overall structure is very good. So hopefully you are able to see the fabric. So this is the and of course now this line, as you can see, this is basically wrong printing. So in the fusing there was a problem. So anyway, that is just I mean, this is waste fabric basically. So this is poplin fabric, right? Now let's select the next fabric. Now this is Georgette. Actually bring the camera closer. So now this is actually a very soft and delicate fabric. So these are the fabrics which people usually use for scarves and those kind of stuff. So and then of course, I mean, we are just a manufacturer, you guys are the designers and the creative people and the brand owners. So I'm pretty sure you guys will have plenty of ideas in mind to I mean, plenty of things in mind to come up with these things. I mean, combine your designs with this stuff and I'm pretty sure you will have amazing products. So anyway, this is Georgette. This is now one variety of Georgette that we have. Then we have another one. No, this is not Georgette. Okay, I don't know where the other Georgette is. Let me just try to find it out. Anyway, okay, let's not focus on that. So this is I think this variety we already covered. Yeah, this is the Georgette. Anyway, I mean, whenever the other one comes in, I'll show you that. And now, okay. Now, this is actually a Lycra single jersey fabric, completely, I mean, 100% cotton, and this is the quality of the print. And this is how the fabric looks like. Now, this one is amazing for swimsuits, for your, bikinis and leggings, those kind of stuff. So those kind of products will look amazing in this fabric. So this is the back side, this is the front side, this is the fabric. Okay, now next one. Now don't be fixated on the print, because obviously we were testing. So these are all basically waste fabrics. We were testing our machinery with different settings, etc. So anyway, now this is Lycra denim, and this is actually not woven denim, this is knitted denim. So the feel is very soft instead of, in comparison with woven denim, and this contains Lycra, so this is stretchy. Now you can create an entire jeans out of it, and it feels very smooth, very soft against your skin. This is the back side, very smooth. This is the front side, and this is the, I don't know if the knit is visible in the video or not, but this is the woven, this is the knitted denim, and this of course is the print, right? So this is knitted denim. Then the other one I have is it's satin fabric. Now satin is amazing fabric, it gives fantastic sheen and everything. We have one more quality, this one is the lower quality. We have one more quality, and I'm pretty sure even through the video you guys will be able to see the difference. So anyway, this is satin, feels very nice against the skin, and this fabric has got a lot of structure, etc. And plus I'm pretty sure the designers the designer amongst you will know what satin, how the structure of satin fabric is. So this is basically satin weave. Okay, then next we have velvet. Now please bring the camera. Yeah, so this is velvet. Amazing fabric. Again, smooth, extremely smooth like butter. And I'm honestly speaking, it's a cliche, smooth as a butter. It's a very good metaphor, but a cliche is a cliche for a reason, and this is the perfect example. So extremely smooth and very I mean feels very luxurious against your skin is what I would say. And of course, yeah, this is the print. And yeah, so this is velvet, this is the back side. So this is velvet and printed velvet. Now this is honeycomb. You might have seen this as the lining fabric in a lot of now yeah, so you might have seen this fabric used as lining fabric in a lot of high quality lowers and boxer shorts and those kind of things. So this is honeycomb fabric. And honestly, I mean, we have started using this fabric recently, and to be very honest, we ourselves were surprised when we saw the kind of print that came out. I mean, print on this fabric is amazing. We were not expecting this kind of print, but yeah, the print is amazing. And you can sky is the limit. Use your creativity, and I'm pretty sure there are thousands of products that you can create out of these kind of things. So this is another thing. Now this is the other quality of satin that we have. We call it super satin. So this is the other quality. This is the best satin that you are, I mean, in terms of synthetic fibers, this is the best quality of satin that you're going to get. You create any kind of product out of this, and it feels amazing. We create even cushion covers and whatnot, though it's a very expensive fabric to create cushion covers. But yeah, we create cushion covers also. And this is the kind of print. Look at the print. I mean, how vibrant and everything. I mean, the print looks very vibrant. And by the way, yeah, I should have mentioned this thing in the beginning of the video itself. All these fabrics, all these cut pieces that you are seeing, these have been washed multiple times. So we have printed them and then we have washed them multiple times. So basically, even after washing this piece of fabric multiple times, this is the kind of quality you are getting. So this is another fabric. Then what do we have? Yeah, this is basically single-sided fur. So now, okay, maybe the heat was too much, so the fur is not that much visible. I'm pretty sure it is visible, but not that much. So is it visible, cameraman or woman rather? So it's visible, right? So okay, so and this is the print, right? So what we have done is we have left the fur side intact and we have printed on the other side, on the back side, or I mean, let's just call it the other side, not the back side, because honestly you can use it from both the sides. Depends on the kind of end usage you are going for, you intended. Okay, so yeah, so this is single side fur. Then this fabric we call it Oxford, and this fabric is pretty good for boxers and those kind of things. It's a sturdy fabric, it has got a lot of structure, and still it's very soft. So it feels very soft against your skin, it drapes very well, but still it has got a lot of structure. And yeah, this is the kind of print that you can get. This is the other side, or rather the back side. This is the front side. So this is the kind of print that you can expect on this kind of fabric, right? And of course, I mean, just keep that in mind, not every fabric is equal. So all the fabrics will have different kinds of prints. So do not expect that, you know, the kind of print you get on a super satin or those kind of fabrics, you will get the same thing on a more coarser fabric like drill or Oxford. And we have drill also just coming along shortly. So we'll show you that also. Now this is normal t-shirt fabric. Now the beauty of this one is it looks like cotton, but it's not. So it's amazing, it feels very good. We have cotton all over print also, but this one is not cotton. This is polyester. It feels like, it looks like cotton, it feels like cotton, but it's not. I mean, hopefully, I don't know if you are able to capture that on the camera, but there is no shine. There is not as much shine as polyester contains, right? So this is the single jersey, normal single jersey fabric. Okay, now this is the fabric that we use for baby blankets. So this is quite a thick material, and it's quite warm also. So this is the fabric that we use for baby blankets. And again, look at the print. So hopefully you like the print. And this is the back side, of course, and this is the front side. And It's a thick fabric. It's used for blankets and all, and the print is also amazing. We have kept the print one-sided because, of course, on the back side it should not, because babies tend to take pretty much everything in their mouth. So one should not print on the other side. If you want, we can do that, of course, if you have any other application in mind. So yeah, so this is that fabric. Then what do we have next? Okay, now this is one of the best fabrics that, I mean, this is my personal favorite fabric. So this is actually extremely smooth. You decide the application, of course, but this fabric is extremely smooth. When it comes to stretchability, it has got amazing stretchability, and yeah, so this fabric, when it comes to the feeling against your skin, it has got the best feeling against your skin, and it's very flimsy, I would say, but not I mean, it's not structurally flimsy. It feels flimsy. Rather flimsy probably is not the right word. I should just simply use delicate. It feels very delicate, but it's not. It contains lot of structure, okay, and just snaps right back. See, just snaps right back. The print is intact, everything is intact, and again, mind you, this has been washed several times already, right? So this is one of the fabric. We call it Lycra Sports, and this is again polyester synthetic fabric. Then what else we have? Yeah, so this is loop net fabric, which is fleece basically. So a French terry loop net fabric, and it's fleece from the back side, and this is the fabric. So you can create, you can create hoodies and sweatshirts, those kind of things, and then we of course use it for full sleeves, all over printed hoodies, sweatshirts, and those kind of products. So this is that fabric, and this is the kind of print, as you can see. Now next, what do we have next? This is poplin. I think we have already showed poplin. I think we covered poplin. Okay, probably this is the other one. We have two different varieties of poplin. So yeah, so this is the other variety of poplin, and yeah, I mean, that's it. And this is drill. So basically, you can use this for tote bags and like really structural things and sturdy things, because this is extremely thick fabric. It's thicker than denim, woven denim, mind you, and it has got a lot of structure, a lot of weight. This is quite heavy in hand, so this obviously is not really very ideal for apparels. You can, however, create jackets and whatnot out of this, but yeah, I mean, I wouldn't really recommend this for anything else other than jackets. And but any accessory is, I mean, that is going to be amazing out of this fabric. So yeah, so this one is the drill fabric. Yeah, and guys, initially I was showing you Georgette. So this is the other variety of Georgette that we have. Honestly, this is very delicate fabric. So I honestly am not even sure if we are going to use this fabric or not, if we are going to carry this fabric or not, because this is not our manufacturing. We don't manufacture this fabric in-house. We manufacture a lot of knitted fabrics. This is woven, so we don't manufacture it. And so this is something which we procure from outside, and this is very delicate fabric, so it's a bit hard to work with, but nonetheless, since we had it, so I just wanted to show you that this is yet another variety of fabric that we have. So hopefully you guys liked this video, and thank you for watching, and hopefully you will be creating a lot of amazing products, right? Thank you.